Hey everyone, Techno Manager here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix sound not working on your iPhone by following these troubleshooting steps. So let's get started. Very first thing, you're going to make sure the phone is not in silent mode. So on a newer phone, you have this action button where you can press and hold. If it's on silent mode, you just press and hold again until it says ring. Now, if you have older phone, you may see a switch. You want to make sure the switch is up and you do not see the red. Now, if you can't do it, you can also go into your setting and actually turn off if it's in silent mode by going into sounds and haptics. And right here, if you see this turned on, just turn it off as well. Now, another thing you may want to adjust is if you're looking for sound specifically around your ringtone and alerts, you want to make sure this volume is turned up and not down here because that will mute everything. So you're going to bring that up as well. Now, along with sound here, you're going to check out and make sure that if you're looking for sound for a specific thing here on the list, make sure it's selected to something instead of none. So for example, if you want something, you want to select it and you don't want to select the none option. Like for example, here it says none, you want to select something else. So that's going to be another thing to check out. Now, if you're still having issue, the next thing to do is quick, just to verify that your volume is actually turned up this way with your volume button. You'll see an icon here. So make sure you do that to turn it all the way up. Now, another thing to consider is if you have a case or anything that could be blocking the speaker, you want to remove it. You want to check for dirt, dust, lint, or anything and clean out the speaker itself. Sometimes if it's blocked, it's not going to, of course, have any sound coming out of it. Now, the next thing troubleshooting you want to do is go into your setting, click on Bluetooth, and check if your iPhone is connected to a Bluetooth device. If it is, it may be actually trying to push the sound to that Bluetooth device. A quick check would be turning off Bluetooth temporarily and seeing if the sound works. If it does, then you know it's a Bluetooth device that it's going to try to connect to. Now, if you're still having the issue, the next thing you're going to do is simply go ahead and force restart your phone. So you're going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down this side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I'll do volume up, volume down, and I hold down this side button just like that. And you're going to keep on holding until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo reappears again. So here, as you can see, I'm just holding it down and I wait for the Apple logo and I let go. This is known as a forced restart. It just shuts down the phone and reloads the code. It does not delete any of your data. Completely safe to do. If it doesn't work the very first time, try it again. It takes a couple tries to do. So you're just quickly pressing and releasing volume up, volume down, and then holding down this side button. Now, once you're back on the phone, a couple other things to check out is from the top menu, make sure that your phone is not on Do Not Disturb, as it will impact it. So you want to turn that off, or any of these focus mode as well. Now, along with that, the next setting you want to go ahead and check out is just go into your settings and then go to General, Software Update, and check if there's a new update. If there is, you want to update it. Sometimes the previous update might be causing issues for the phone. Now, finally, if all of this isn't working for you, you're going to start by going to your setting, clicking on General, and then take a look at Transfer Reset iPhone. Click on Reset, and you're going to reset all settings. Enter your phone's passcode or password. This reset of all settings is just resetting the settings themselves. It will not delete your data, but an important step to do. So that's all you need to do to fix it, and I hope by now your sound is working again. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.